5 euro for one.
Oh really? Wow.
I mean, in
just
Luxembourg,
just one meal.
Yeah. But not even a meal, eh?
But
Like one snack?
It's not. It's just.
Just
meal,
rice.
But, yeah. Maybe I can take this one. Oh, it's too hot. Be careful. It's too hot.
You went to like traditional housing before, like to sleep? Like hotel?
In Korea or
In
Japan?
Japan?
No.
No.
First time. Was tasty.
Just rice.
What?
No, it's supposed to be tuna.
Ah, tuna. Okay.
I need to try to make some home. But I can't master the rice cooking. Cooking the rice for me is the most complicated.
Yeah, for me too. If I don't have the rice cooking machine, is just only using the pot. It's really complicated.
What's the brand of the convenience store we went to? It's not Lobson.
In Korea?
This one we just went
Ministop.
to. Ministop?
Ministop.
Okay.
It's rare, kind of rare. There's few of store in Japan. Cuckoo.
Hello. Wow.
Where did you put your
Towel?
Yeah.
In the here. Don't you think like Korea is getting really popular like worldwide? In TikTok or social media, it's everywhere. Like
I think so. Yeah.
the reviews of the convenience store
Yeah,
also.
I think so nowadays.
Yeah, it's like trendy to go to Korea.
Yeah.
Machiko is telling us to go to bed.
Oh really?
But guys, please go to bed soon because you woke up early this morning.
Yeah. Okay. What? What's that?
So I sent to my sister is a huge fan of One Direction.
Okay.
So I sent her like the
You sent to our karaoke?
just this one to her.
Oh, okay.
I sent her that.
Yeah.
And she sent this.
you don't know your beauty.
And I want to watch your
My dad.
message.
It seems like they managed to film correctly. I didn't see it yet, so.
Let's watch together.
So Ko and Ko sent a message to my father. So
Un grand coucou. Mon voyage au Japon et en Corée, merci beaucoup. Un anniversaire pour moi. Gros bisous à Ko, à Machiko, à Lucie que je ne connais pas. Et bon voyage à tout le monde. Bisous, bisous.
Bisous.
for
Okay. Let's do this.
do you know where is my plastic bottle?
Oh, I throw away.
Okay.
Sorry, you didn't use? You can buy the new one maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
But I don't have water for the night.
You can use this one. Yeah, of course. Why? Yeah, of course.
I'm used to the tap water, so.
No, don't use the bathroom water. It's not common in Japan and Korean.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's not common. It's really not common.
Okay.
It's more easy. You just put to your face and then spread on the face. It's more easy. How's today?
So cool.
Noise.
Tired at the beginning and stressful, but honestly, the rest was just like a dream.
Yeah.
Like seeing Asakusa in real life.
It's really interesting. Yeah. I didn't expect it. They have a huge building for just karaoke. It's so weird, weird and interesting. Yeah. And Lucy, how was it today?
Yeah, that's like dreaming.
Yes.
Even now. Yeah. And you? How was the day after
Today,
arriving?
Cause I worry about my condition, cause I couldn't sleep. But it's not too something hard things, except the sushi time. We rushed to because of the sushi. But that was a fun actually. So
It's so fun.
and everything going well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Asakusa also we worried because it's a late time. Time's late, but we discovered many things in Asakusa.
Yeah, it was
And
maybe
prayed.
less crowded, and the
less
light.
crowd. Yeah.
The light is pretty on the.
It's more good
I think so.
actually
Yeah.
than the afternoon.
And the room.
Mm.
The room here is nice.
Yeah. It's I think it's a matching for us. The proper for us, I mean. Yeah. And transportation really thanks to Machiko.
Wow, yeah.
Yeah. So that's why it's really going well. Everything, cause if we go to the other country, travel, always like something disturb the transportation because of transportation. I mean,
I think so.
always, always.
I think transportation is the main reason why
Yeah,
we
yeah,
get
yeah,
upset and tired.
yeah. That's exactly, yeah.
And also it feels like meeting Machiko and also meeting you in Korea, it feels like those 5 years.
I kind of feeling like 5 years.
Yeah,
Doesn't
same.
feel like 5
It's
years.
really weird. It's like
It's like we were at BSB like 2 weeks ago.
yeah.
You guys want to get married someday?
Yeah, I hope so.
I always want to.
Always?
When I'm after adult.
Yeah, your birth rate dropped again.
Yeah.
It's really low.
It's crazy, yeah.
It's crazy, yeah. It's even lower than Japan now.
Yeah. Weird disappeared, so enjoy it now. You guys should.
Oh my god.
But I'm joke now, but it's weird.
But also do you think the governments do enough stuff to convince people to get paid?
But for my opinion, even the government do something, even like many things, is not to process.
Not enough.
Yeah, it's not enough. But I don't know it's enough or not. It's not to point.
In France, we have a lot of daycare, so the kids can go to school, kind of school, like from 2 to 12. And also the mother, she has like at least a year of paid vacation, let's say, to take care of the kid.
Yeah.
And the father, they also have some days. And I think if you put in this kind of like rules, like you should give advantages people to protect their careers, protect their money, and give them time to enjoy their family. Maybe the people see the kids less as a constraint, but more like a source of happiness.
Yeah, we should effort to. That's way.
Yeah.
That's the way.
But I think it's a problem in a lot of countries actually.
But especially Korea. Yeah. Of course, it's the high economy. The countries have a common problem. But especially Korea, so that's problem. Yeah. You know, if you mask sheet is took a really long time, the skin give to liquid to mask sheet.
Okay.
So it's opposite side.
Okay.
Yeah,
So we need to remove it now.
So after that, this is one of the good things. They have some liquid in the inside, so
We can keep it
can be very useful. Like the health. But they don't have many liquid, so it's not too not too working. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
My face is full of liquid right now. It's fine.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. And if you want to, you can like this.
Oh.
Like it. Yeah.